Once upon a time, there was a beautiful kingdom filled with light and laughter. And in this kingdom lived a very young queen with a kind heart. Even though she was a queen, she loved quiet moments and stories. Sometimes she felt lonely because queens had many duties. She shared her feelings with flowers, who always listened. One day, a magical butterfly came with a secret. It led her to a village hidden deep in the forest. The village children looked sad and tired. The young queen's heart felt heavy. She decided to help them herself. Her kindness was more powerful than magic. Slowly, the village changed. Laughter returned to the village. The queen felt proud, not because of her crown, but because she listened to her heart. She returned home, changed forever. The people saw her kindness. She planted hope for the future. And hope grew quickly. Under the stars, she made a promise. To always care for her people. And that is the story of the little queen who ruled with love.